All right, so I'm going to talk to you about the wonderful research and internship opportunities that our students have here as part of the Department of Biological Sciences at Messiah University. A lot of students are afraid when they come to us and they think, wow, how am I ever going to do research? How am I ever going to think of a project that's worthwhile doing at a college level? Don't worry about it. So we redirect research with more of a graduate style model in mind. That is, I have my research interests. They have a lot of sophisticated projects ongoing, and you come to me and say, hey, I'd like to be part of it, and we'll figure out a small part that you could take and move forward yourself. So you're going to learn all the ins and outs, you're going to do all the troubleshooting, but it'll be under the umbrella of a bigger project and program that I'm pushing along. So you'll learn about a lot of information in a fairly narrow area in a lot of depth, which is going to be great in training you in how to think through the literature, how to think critically, and how to do experiments. And, they won't work the first time, get them to work. At any rate, it's a wonderful training, but the pressure's off of you to come up with something unique. But you will get academic credit for doing this. Okay, and so students register for credit to do their senior research after they've taken a preparatory course. And so again, you carve out time in your academic year to be able to do the research. Hey, and if it's not going to work during the year, we have funded summer programs. So you can get paid to stay here and do research with us. What we're doing is worthwhile, letting other people know. So we want you to go to professional meetings and talk about our work. And if it's ripe for publication, you'll be a co-author on what we do. So what kind of research interests do we have? We have a wide variety. So we have a lot that are what I'd call inside science, so more medically relevant, related, or basic science for indoors, and then stuff that's more ecological or sustainability oriented. So with regards to the indoor stuff, neuroscience projects, cancer, so cancer, what causes cancer, but then how can you harness the immune system to control, detect, or destroy cancer? How could we use simple mustard plants, for example, to clean up heavy metals from contaminated soils? Aquaponics, how could we use feces to power the growth of species indoors in our wonderful greenhouse? How to capture and preserve threatened flower species, and so a bunch of other things that are more ecologically related. Now, we understand it takes equipment to be able to do this. So things like a scanning electron microscope, several microscopes that are fitted with fluorescence microscopy, regular good old PCR in real time, a whole plethora of cell incubators, and the biosafety hoods that are necessary to do the sterile technique. But also on the ecological side, we have a wonderfully expanded research style greenhouse, Percival growth chambers. We can do plant tissue culture. And let's not forget the outside. We have a great, more than 100 acres of natural habitat that's been preserved, and it's going to stay that way. And of course, the good old Yellow Breeches Creek, wonderfully and internationally known for trout fishing, but it's also a great place to study aquatic microinvertebrates. Our students get credit for doing research, basic science with us, but then also if they want to get off campus and do something, we'll be more than happy to support them. So a number of them go off and do internships or research at off-campus sites. So with the state, Department of Conservation and Natural Resources, Department of Agriculture, we've had people working with museums. A number of students arranged to do high-level research projects at the nearby Penn State College of Medicine and a variety of other locations. Also, those who are interested in medicine, we encourage them to do the research, but there are certain things that they also want to do that are more hands-on with regard to medical experience. And so we encourage them and we empower them to spend time shadowing or volunteering in the clinic with their local physicians. A number of them are now getting paid to scribe what's going on in various clinical settings or get paid to be certified nursing assistants. And of course, research internships. We even have a local on-campus chapter of EMS, where the students support and work with our local first responders. If you want to teach, we have the wonderful Oaks Museum that brings into us many student groups throughout the year. And so you can sign on to be a volunteer or even as a paid tour guide, interpreter, or docent in the museum's program. And so it's a wonderful wealth of experiences there at a variety of elementary through middle school opportunities. So anyway, let's just say we don't confine our learning in science to the classroom. We want you to be able to get a lot of good, relevant hands-on experiences.